Hi, I'm Melody and this is my friend Tammy, and we are doing home tours today.
So this house is located in Bridal Springs, directly across the street from the park, which is awesome, quiet neighborhood. We've got 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, cute little porch as you walk in. And a great little cubby for shoes, coats when you walk in. Half bath, laundry on the first floor. And then you walk into the living room. We've got an open concept, nice fireplace, gas fireplace with built-ins. Great for storage, dining, and a pretty decent sized kitchen.
Gas stove for responsive heating there. And the appliances stay?
That depends on the offer. The refrigerator would love to go to the new home, but it may not.
Okay.
And then we go upstairs. And the floor is in really good shape.
Yeah, it looks beautiful.
The carpet is actually in really good shape too. So, in here we have a cute little children's bedroom. So here we have a bathroom that's accessible by both smaller bedrooms. Here's the other smaller bedroom. Lots of light from the windows. And then over here we have the primary suite. The bathroom has been updated with new flooring and a tiled shower.
Some shelves in there for storage. And a seat. Very cool.
And then the walk-in closet has a light that just comes on when you walk in. Pretty
there
good
we are.
size, but
and your attic access is up there.
yes.
Okay.
Very handy. Not.
And your toilet is there. Alrighty. Here is your backyard space.
The fence will be fixed, replaced
Okay.
here shortly.
Okay. Very cool. All right, so that's about it. There is a typical size 2-car garage, but it has a lot of contents from the homeowner, so I'm not going to film that. If you have a question about this home or any other home featured on this channel, just drop me a comment and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks for tuning in.